Okay, this is the L4-L5 Eldoa, okay? L4-L5 is a super important vertebral segment because just above that SI joint, a lot of problems end up happening here as well. So like all the Eldoas, at least for the lumbar spine, we're gonna start off in a seated position. I'm gonna show you from the front angle and I'm gonna show you from the side. But what we wanna do as far as setting up our legs is that when we take a seat, we wanna find our knees at 90 degrees, okay? And once we have our knees at 90 degrees, we're gonna make sure that our heels are about fist distance apart. So measure with your fist in between your heels. We're gonna dorsiflex and evert our feet, which means our toes are pulling up and out to the side. Our knees are pushing down towards the ground once we're set in this position. Now, I'm gonna show you from the side, once this is all set, what we do there is we're gonna find nice and axially extended. That means that your spine is nice and straight. So axial extension through the tailbone, through the neck and the spine, the entire spine in between. We're gonna find ourselves nice and straight. You can see I'm using my hands here. I'm continuing to push my knees down. My chin is tucked. I'm pulling my head back, not up, not down, but head is back and straight. I'm gonna push my hands straight forward, externally rotating my hands, pushing the palms forward like I'm Spider-Man. Then I'm gonna bring both hands straight up, and I'm reaching the palms of my hands towards the sky. My shoulders are reaching up towards the ground. I'm pulling my fingers down towards the ground. I'm still Spider-Man, pushing the heels of my palms up. And we're gonna hold. It's really important that when we're here, we're not leaning back, we're not leaning forward, we're not rounded in the spine at all. We're as straight as possible. Even if you're working to stay as straight as possible, that's fine. Just try to be there. And we're setting a timer on our phone to be able to hold this for 1 minute. My knees are still pushing down towards the ground. My toes are still dorsiflexing. My hands are still reaching towards the sky. My chin and neck are still in that straight position. My spine is straight. And then when I'm done, I slowly relax. That is the L4-L5 Eldoa.